Hey Connor, hey Zoey. Look at you two, huh?
Mickey Mouse.
Whoa! What do you have there, Zoey?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse? Wow! It's a Tickled pink Minnie Mouse, huh? Wow! What about you, boy? What you got? Thomas Tidmouth shed?
Yeah.
Wow! What is that? Oh, Harold, Sir Topham Hatt, and Thomas, huh?
And what's this?
That's just like a truck that's got some stuff in there.
Yeah, Thomas come out.
Yeah, we have to bring them out.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to open it?
Yes.
All right. Let's start with Minnie Mouse for the girly girl, Zoey. Right, cutie? Yeah. Minnie Mouse makes noise. Let's see.
Owie. Owie, Dad.
Wow.
Owie.
That's pretty cool.
I got owie.
Wow, be careful. Wow, even the bowl has lights in there, huh? Hey, be careful, boy.
I got some face.
Minnie Mouse coming out. What? Hey, don't do that to Minnie Mouse. You gotta be nice.
I got a present.
Yeah, scissors to cut everything. Yeah. Oh, there goes Minnie Mouse. Oh, almost done. One last cut.
Oh.
There you go. Just take all that off. There goes Minnie Mouse. Yeah. Zoey, you like it? Whoa, tickle. Zoey, you like it? Yeah? Good job, girl. All right, time for Thomas to come out. Tidmouth's shed, huh?
Yeah!
Whoa, it makes noise?
Yeah!
Let's hear the noise. Make the noise where you press. Whoa, that's water noise.
Yeah!
That must be from the water tower, or what is that, a tower?
Yeah, this Thomas!
Thomas, yes.
Thomas.
Thomas. Yeah, Thomas up there. Water, oh yeah. Whoa, yeah, that is the water.
Owie!
All right, wait, Mommy, take it out. Mommy's taking it out right now. Whoa, that's gonna be pretty cool. You got Sir Topham Hatt, along with Thomas and Harold.
And the duck. And the duck.
Whoa.
Are you gonna see this? See this
What do you got there? What is that?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Yeah.
I'll open it.
Just hold on.
First, you wanna open this?
Yes, you can open it, but you have to wait for Mommy to cut that. I think that's a piece of tape right there.
Oh.
I think that's a piece of tape.
Oh, you take this off. You're not take this off.
Hold on. Mommy will cut it. Okay?
That's Thomas.
Who's talking?
Thomas. That's the wire.
Oh, the water. Oh, okay. There goes the water spout. So you press it down, it makes noise. There goes Harold.
Hey, Harold.
Harold is the first one out.
Give us me. Harold.
Let's take a look. I'm gonna take a look at Harold. Hi, Harold. Yeah. What do you have there?
Yeah.
The car? Let's see. Oh, that's Sir Topham Hatt's car. Put Sir Topham Hatt in there.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hi, kids. I'm Sir Topham Hatt. This is Sir Topham Hatt. I think he goes into his car, right?
Yeah. Hey, let's go down. Thomas.
Here is Thomas. Thomas. There you go.
This one is not cut yet. This one is not cut yet, Mommy.
What car? Oh yeah, Sir Topham Hatt in the car. Uh-oh. Sir Topham Hatt fell. Okay, let me put Sir Topham Hatt back in there, huh? Okay. So Topham Hatt, you go back in the car. Uh-oh. You put a princess girl in there. There you go. Sir Topham Hatt and his car.
Hey, no. Put everything in there.
Okay. Alright, Mommy has to cut one string off of that.
Hero! No, so stop it. That's Hero!
Huh?
Hero.
Yeah?
Yeah, hello.
Oh, yeah, you have to put Harold up there, huh?
Harold up here.
Oh. Oh, he snaps on. There you go. Harold can go around in circle up there.
How's wheels? I got this one.
No, it's just a piece of string.
Yeah.
Wow, that's Harold making noise there? See? That's the noise that Harold makes, and that's the water.
Number 1 engine coming through.
That's Thomas. Number 1 engine.
Hey, can you open this one, Daddy?
Okay, Mommy will help you. Hold on a second, okay? Maybe open it from the other side. Wow, there goes the door. There goes the doors.
It's a Thomas.
Yeah, so Thomas can go in there and sit in there.
Let it open.
Open? Hold on. Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, and you.
Wee! Harold the helicopter.
Hey.
Wow. Uh-oh, you have to put the door back on there for door number 1.
Yeah, this way.
So you have 3 doors. 3.
Oh, Stepper has to do this.
It's a Topham Hatt, yep. This is for Thomas.
Yeah.
What do you have there?
I don't know.
Oh, a little baby Ariel.
Baby.
Yeah, baby Ariel. Whoa. Silly girl. Silly girl.
Let's have to go wash, Mommy.
There you go.
Thomas is in there first. Does the Topham Hatt go in there too?
Ow!
What's that?
No.
Oh, you press that, it makes noise. Oh, it opens, huh? There goes Thomas.
In the water. Is the water?
Let's see if Sir Topham Hatt would fit in there.
Okay.
Gotta snap it in first.
Hey, Mommy.
Coals up here. Go ahead.
Daddy.
Uh-oh. You have to get the car.
Put the coals over here. Like this.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, the coal comes down. So you put the coals on top here, and then it comes down on the side chute here, goes right into the truck. See? Let's try that again. Uh-oh. Need a little help here. You gotta put the coal on top, okay? Mommy put the coal on top, and it comes down the side chute right into the truck.
Let it open.
Open? Hold on. You have to press on top.
Time to be really useful.
Press on top. There you go. See? You press on top and the door opens. So what you do is you put Sir Topham Hatt on this little platform here, and he says he has something to tell Thomas. Hold on a second, Boo-Boo. Hold on a second. We show Sir Topham Hatt say something to Thomas.
I have a special for you.
Oh, that's what he says.
You are a really useful engine.
Yeah, that's Sir Topham
Time
Hatt.
to fill up at the water tower.
The
I have an
water
important job for you.
tower. Yeah, so that's what Sir Topham Hatt says. Yeah. Wow, so this is Connor's new toy. And Zoe's new Minnie Mouse. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh no, she fell down. Looks like Connor and Zoe are having fun with this new Thomas toy here. Tidmouth shed. Alright guys, well, this is their new toy. It looks like they're going to be having lots of fun playing with it.
I'm ready to be
Yes.
Hey, the door.
Alright, until next time guys.
Bye.
See you guys.